So Hoya was like, Anna Gurur is so good. And I was like, what the fuck is Anna Gurur? I mean, I know what Anna is. It's milk or something. But Gurur, it sounds so disgusting.
I love Berkshire.
Hoya banu shegi.
Snapchat kay ku jira waan islaamay dad badan baa dhahay af Somali maxaa ku hadlay weyse iyo af Somali ma taqaanta. Of course I know Somali, of course. Dadkayga waan jeclahay Somali people waan jeclahay laakiin dadka oo old people aan la hadlaya he old people listen Somali marka ku hadlayo sidaan u hadlaya ha ii fiirsan waan nimcanahay waxaas marka la ii fiirsado af Somali sidaan ku hadlayo qoy miya saqwiyo kedimiya naka joojo af Somaliga waa luuqad oo qurux badan moogtahay laakiin idinka sidii dib ku yahay marka af Ingiriis ku hadashay sidan dhahdid. Welcome to Starbucks. My name is Kathy. I'll be assisting you today. What would you like at Starbucks? Yeah. I need juice. Juice, please. I like juice. Starbucks is. I'm so sorry that we don't have translators here at Starbucks. This is America, so we do speak English here. We have drinks up there, or orange juice, apple juice. What do you need? The way they give it a I need juice. Juicy cappuccino, like juice cappuccino. This is Starbucks. Starbucks not. You know what? I'll just fix you up something nice. It's on the house. Go sit down. I'll go get it for you. And next time, do me a favor. Please learn better English.
Well, the point I'm trying to make is I might be a Somali fob. I might be a fob when I speak Somali. But you will always be a fob when you speak in English. Fair game. But with all due respect, I still like Somali music. Normally I just, record my videos inside my car, but I saw a big-ass raccoon, which is why I'm inside my house right now at the moment, where my family is staring at me. Hi, Mom. Hi, Dad.
With CTV News, an amazing discovery has been made here inside the Edmonton Expo Centre during K-Days. Earlier today, fairgoers looking for mini donuts and other tasty treats were shocked to see the ground completely open up beneath their feet. Our very own Asma Ahmed, who's extremely excited right now to be doing this live report, can tell us exactly what she saw. What can you tell us?
Bystanders got closer to the hole in the floor. They realized that
this isn't a laughing matter. We're talking about some pretty
what
serious
we're
stuff.
seeing appeared to be a dinosaur fossil, but this wasn't the remains of a dinosaur. This was a live dinosaur.
Is that funny?
Live
Was
dinosaur.
it a funny dinosaur?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Hidden beneath the soil for hundreds of thousands of years, ready to make an appearance when the moment is right. Now, I'm no expert, but I've seen Jurassic Park many times, and let me tell you, this was no normal dinosaur.
Now, you seem to have a serious case of the giggles. Was this a funny scene when you saw it? A live dinosaur didn't freak you out? No. Right? No. So what's so...
Look at them, all my friends.
Oh, that's
Shout out to the gang, shout out to the north side, shout out to Honey D, shout out to Eman.
Right? Okay.
Shout out to St. Albert for her.
Shout out.
Shout out.
Shout out. Shout out to the...
Shout out to, I don't like south side, but shout out to north side. North
side gang over
north
there.
side gang? Yeah.
That's your crew. So talking about K-Days, what brings you here?
I just need money. It's a bad economy.
Oh, it's okay. So
Welcome to T-Mobile, running on EE's network, the biggest in the UK. Your current balance is 0 on the everyday tariff. To top up your account, press 1. Pictures or text messages, press 2. Or for anything else, press 3. We're transferring you on someone on our team to help. If you're not calling from your T-Mobile phone, you'll need to give your T-Mobile phone number. Just so you know, we might record this call for training and quality purposes. Good evening, this is Abriya speaking. Can I take your username and a password, please?
Halim, what are you doing? Okay, guys, we have Halima on the loose. She goes crazy when she starts playing this game. Oh my God, she has gotten on the roof. Oh my God. Don't do it. Don't do it. Just for, no, she did it again. Oh my God. Oh my God, she's on the loose. Oh my God. Halima, that's too far. That's not how you look for Pokemons. You just wait till it pops out. Halima, no. Halima's back. Oh my God, she's on the street. She is on the street. Halima back at it again with the Pokemon Go. Oh no.
Hi everyone. Honestly, my head is starting to hurt too.
Yeah, I'm dead, honestly. Okay, so I'm Hala and we're doing the Somali challenge. So 5 questions and me and Hamdi are gonna translate it to Somali. Whoever translates it the best wins. Okay, first
Round
question.
1.
Yes.
Thanks.
My name is...
You're first.
My name Hawa.
Maghe Mawaya Hamdi.
Who pronounced it better?
You did.
I win.
1.
Shadi, it's because my head is spinning right
2.
2.
now. I think it's just like...
My eyes hurt.
Okay, go.
My eyes hurt?
Mm-hmm.
I don't know how to say eyes in Somali.
Just try.
Eyes hurt.
You're kidding me.
Wallah, I don't know.
Okay. My eyes hurt is India Hanunayo.
Oh, I knew it because they used to call me in the agar when I was a little...
Does that mean green eyes?
I thought it was red eyes.
In the Gudud.
In the Gudud, my bad. It wasn't in the agar, it was in the Gudud because they thought I was the devil when I was a kid.
Muskin. Listen,
Okay,
round
third.
3.
Yeah.
I'm wearing necklace.
Is it my turn?
Yeah.
Okay. I don't know how to say necklace.
At least say part of the sentence.
Okay,
Wait, how come you're more lenient with her?
I'm mean to
You
everybody.
said you know how to say eyes.
I think that's
And then I said
fucked
try it.
up.
Okay. I'm wearing a necklace is
Shadi,
How
I
about
want
Gishna?
you to love me more.
I don't know. How about Gishna?
You said dahab?
Yeah. I don't know.
Dahab, isn't dahab gold?
Yeah, but I don't know how to say necklace.
Okay, go.
I was about to say Keshili.
I'm wearing a necklace, go.
I know, but I thought Keshili was necklace for a second.
What the heck is Keshili? Bruh? I've never heard of that. Keshili?
What do you say Keshili? What do you say bra? I mean in Somali then.
Rajabeto? Or
No,
Rajasin?
we'll have to lie. She says the most. I've never heard the
What the heck is Keshili? Anyways, go. It doesn't matter.
She says Carbeto for busto.
Corbeto.
The
Yeah, but
Italians
she
colonized
says
us.
busto.
What can I do about it?
Okay, go.
Okay.
I don't know.
Wait, what was it? My eyes
I'm
hurt?
wearing a necklace.
Oh, yeah, I don't know. So, and she doesn't know, so what is it?
So it's good we both don't get it.
Okay, move on.
So let's throw out that round.
No, we'll move on.
Yeah, we both don't know, so we both have 1 point now, right?
Yep.
So round 3.
Round 3. The phone is ringing.
Okay, go.
It's not my turn. It's your turn now.
No, I did necklace first.
Yeah, she did.
Oh, we're doing necklace first?
The phone is ringing.
The phone is ringing.
I'm thinking.
Okay.
Telephone call.
Oh my god. There's no word. There's no word for ringing.
That's I don't know what ringing is. That's what I said.
So, bless you.
What is ringing? Shadia.
Oh. You're right.
Okay, let's move on. Round 4. It's still 1-1.
Wow.
At least I'm not losing.
I know. Okay,
Round 4.
I'm gonna cover myself.
I'm wearing glasses.
Okay, is it my turn?
Mm-hmm.
Ogyala Gishna. Ogyala Gishna.
Kialo.
I'm wearing glasses.
Kialo. What do you say? Gialo.
Ogyala.
Ogyalo.
Gishna.
Isn't it Kialo?
Ban Harana. Ban Harane.
Go.
Kialo Wahrana.
Kialo for glasses?
Yeah.
What the hell are Kialo?
Oh, Kialawa Wata.
We're both
It
wrong.
says like you both are tied because you
Okay.
said the translation for at least.
Okay, 2-2.
Yeah.
Number 5.
Number 5. Number 5. Okay. My hair is braided.
Girl, I don't know what the hell braided is.
There's a word for it.
Never mind, I do.
Okay, go.
Timahe hoye dewe dabde.
Hoy mo put it.
Okay, Timahe what dabe. Okay.
Go.
Okay, for my hair is braided as Timeheo Dubsantai.
J1.
Are you kidding me, Shadia? Timahe what dabe. What's
You said
Yo,
Timmy
hoy
hoy what
dabde.
hoy what in bed.
okay? But then my second time I was like Timahe what dabe.
Timeheo Dabe means I braided my hair.
Yeah, that's what she said, right?
No, she said my hair is braided. So I said Timeheo Dubsantai.
Huh.
Oh man.
So I won.
Can we do winner takes all?
Yes.
The winner takes all?
Yeah.
Turn off the light.
Okay, let's say in 5 sentences, okay?
Wait.
In 5
can I
seconds.
think?
Okay, think about it.
Can I think? You know, I'll just let you have this.
Nahadimi.
Nalhadimi.
Nalkademi.
Nalkadimi.
Okay, then she can no. Then we gotta do another one because she did it wrong.
Okay, but I still won the challenge.
You did it wrong.
Okay.
Okay, another lightning round.
Round 2. Okay. Close the door.
Okay, let's say.
Abab ke head.
Okay, it's your turn. Go. She said it. You go.
Abab ke head.
Okay, so you all still got.
Okay.
She still won.
I still
How
won
did
the
she
challenge.
still
I still won the
win?
challenge. That is the end. Bye.